Howdy folks, TJ here again. I got some goodies from overseas. So far everything I've been talking about, kind of hide behind this box here, has been Spectrum Sinclair related, but I'm also going to be getting a QL. I've been working on this for a number of months, maybe about a month and a half, and I have somebody setting one up for me here in the United States that knows QLs quite well. And I wanted to get some reading material. And I know you can download all sorts of stuff, but I'm old-fashioned in that I like magazines, paper that I can actually hold on to and play with. So somebody in UK had a whole bunch of QL magazines, and I'll have to check, but I think I have almost a whole collection of QLWorld here. Might be missing a few copies here and there, but pretty big selection. And this box is heavy. About, I think, almost 50 pounds or something. It was quite expensive to get shipped here. But, you know, I normally, when I do something, I do it right. I'm going to get everything I can on something that I really like to use. And I'm going to enjoy the hell out of it. So I'm going to just do a quick little unboxing here. And let's push this forward, and I'll move the camera around a little bit. Show you what I have. And what I got was a whole bunch of QLWorld magazines. So this is how they came. Looks like he's got them in nice little groups that he packed up. I'll just take out a wad of them here and open up just a couple so you can kind of see. So I'll make the unboxing fairly quick. Whole bunch of magazines. Awesome. I love magazines. It looks like there's even some Sinclair QL user in here. I'll have to peek at everything I've got, but so I'll just kind of quickly show you one. I just grabbed one off the top, 1990 QLWorld. Nice magazine that's going to have all sorts of time warp goodies that I can go back, read, learn, and enjoy my whole Sinclair experience. So not only am I doing Spectrum, I'm also doing all the Sinclair lines. So some really cool magazines. Look at those. All fun. I'm going to have a great time reading all this stuff. Anyway, big old box. I'll be going through them here. I think I'll try to find issue number 1 or close to it tonight. Start reading them and getting ready for my QL. It's hopefully going to get it within a few weeks here. So thanks for watching, and take it easy. Alright, I've got all my magazines laid out, and issue 1, volume 1. It's the one I'll be checking out tonight. Always fun to get an issue 1 of something. And let me just go ahead and I'm going to pick up the camera here. I'm sure it'll wobble a little bit, but I'll take a little flight over all the magazines here. Cool. See you later. Let's do a little flip through. There's the cover of issue number 1, volume 1 of QLWorld. Looks like a nice little letter introducing you to the magazine. A little bit of table of contents. Wow, look at all that eye candy, all sorts of good stuff. QL gets down to business. It was a business computer after all. I'll end it on that. Cool, I can't wait to flip through this and read all this good stuff.